that you're going to make mistakes. And I'm just going to remember that I need to stay focused on the moment and use the right safety equipment, trust the boat, and I do trust the boat. It's an entirely different boat in some ways now. She has a new brain. It's over there. We don't know how to use her brain yet. So there's a lot of things that we now have to relearn about her. We have to get reacquainted. I have a lot of things about sailing again that are stressing me out, and I wasn't acknowledging them because I didn't feel like I should feel stressed about. I felt like I should only feel excitement about taking the Reboot out to sail. The truth of it is that until I acknowledge that there's stuff that scares me about the upcoming Friday, it's going to jam me up in other ways, and it's going to cause me to make mistakes, and it's going to basically impede my ability to be a good sailor. So I'm admitting it. I'm scared. I'm anxious. I'm rusty, and it's okay to be all of those things. One foot in front of the other, and just start doing. So, like, once I realized what I was doing to myself in my head, it actually became a lot easier to break that inertia and start working on the boat again and start feeling better about getting things ready. My husband's favorite sayings is, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. We're not actually advocating you eat an elephant. It's a metaphor for how do you tackle a project that is so impossibly huge and complicated and scary. You just break it down into little doable bits. But today, I'm just going to do the one thing, and I'm going to be mindful of the fact that I do have a lot of anxiety about it, and just be accepting of it, and know that it's okay to be scared. It doesn't mean you shouldn't sail. So